I am a blue blood, I will admit that. I dance in blue shoes and wear a blue hat. Live in a blue house, on a blue street, in a blue town, by a blue creek. I write my blue songs with my blue pen. I sing the blue notes to my blue friends. Now I don't know that much about you, but I like you because you're true blue. I had a blue dream about a blue star. In it I drove there in my blue car. And when I got there I met a blue dog with a blue tongue. We had some real fun. We bounced a blue ball, it broke a blue glass. We banged on blue drums and called it bluegrass. Guess the thing I'm trying to tell you is that it's best, kid, if you're true blue. Once I had gangrene, I got it real bad. And so the doc came with his black bag. I said, you know, doc, I don't feel swell. If you had a blue bag, I think I'd get well. So he came right back with a blue sack. He said, will this do? I said, why not? Yeah, that's how I'm here today, to tell you that it's best, man, to be true blue. Out on the blue sea, I sailed a blue ship. I had a first mate, always had blue lips. His name was Bluebeard, he had a weird twitch. We flew a blue flag on a big stick. And we ate bluegill, and we ate blue chips. Oh, I felt real blue, eating that blue fish. Because there ain't much that I won't do unless it keeps me from being true blue. Once in a blue moon, there's a blue sky. I wear my blue jeans and fly my blue kite. Hangs like a blue bird until the wind dies. And then the tears pour out of my blue eyes. If it's your birthday, we'll bake a blue cake. And then we'll eat it off these blue plates. Cause kid, I don't know much about you, but I like you because you're true blue. Yeah, I don't know much about you, but I like you 'cause you're true blue.